A good looking bar. Okay, I think 100% of this hotel is now Vanderpump. It was slowly Vanderpump, and Cromwell still was on the front or on the big sign up top. Now it's all gone. It's all Vanderpump. But I don't understand the casino. There's really not much different to the casino. Oh, except they got a car in there now. It looks good, but it looked good when it was Cromwell. $3 pop-up. Well, that's good. It's better than 6. Better than 5. I wish they'd bring back the shoot to win. It used to be right there. Right next to the door. We got a little bit of people in here. Alright, I like that car. There's a dachshund and a doodle, some kind of doodle he's driving. The doodles are taking over the world, by the way. $15 live craps. 25 3-2 blackjack. Basically, I think they've got the same. Minimums as Flamingo. So neither one of them are going to have a $5 blackjack. And there's another triple zero roulette, which is absolutely insulting. They gotta cut that out. Ooh, looks like maybe they finished the bar back here. It's called Gigolo now. This is another 000. $15 6-5 blackjack. So $15 the best you're going to do for a low minimum here. That's 6-5 blackjack. $15 on the live craps. Now this bar looks like it's more maybe it's what they consider their lobby bar. The lobby here is tiny. It was tiny, I guess it's still tiny. She's got one of those pocket dogs. It's a cute dog. Yeah, this is Gigolo. A good looking bar. very fancy. I'm not dressed for it. This is the high limit slots. It's kind of a hodgepodge room. Let's check out the new. They get new seating in the Sportsbook. They did keep the Sportsbook, which is good. I didn't know if they were going to. Because be truthful, it doesn't pay its way. There's more people loitering than there is making bets. So they got new chairs. It's a smoking Sportsbook, looks like. Man, I don't see any signs, but I see an ashtray and I see a smoker. So it is a smoking. Some velvet chairs back there. Here's the lobby. Very, very small. And see if the cars are any more fancy than they were. Nope. They're not even as fancy as they were when it was Bill's or the Barbary Coast. It went Barbary Coast, Bill's. The reason it was Bill's is because Bill Hara, founder of Harrah's, and they used to, the whole company used to be Harrah's, not Caesar's. And then they decided to change it to Caesar's. Where was I? It went Barbary Coast, Bill's, Cromwell, and now Vanderpump. Not Vanderbilt, Vanderpump. I still don't know if Vanderpump, I really have never seen it, never seen 3 minutes of it. They got a telephone booth. Yeah, that's really going to excite people. Anyway, I don't know if Vanderpump was a reality show that opened restaurants, or was it a chain of restaurants that became a reality show? I don't know. I really don't know. Well, the carpet is definitely Vanderpump. And the atmosphere is very elegant. Ooh, they do have live music is coming back. That's a step in the right direction. They used to have live music here every damn night. Maybe 2 nights they were dark. Maybe on the slowest nights, Monday and Tuesday maybe. But far as I know, years ago, it was almost every night. And this place was completely packed. Hard to believe.
Check, 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 check.
They do have a Starbucks still here. They didn't get rid of Starbucks. And Spider-Man must know the barista because he gets free ice. He's with ice. One thing we didn't see is the rooms. The rooms are drastically improved. They're very, very fancy, and they're very pricey. And I think that's where they're concentrating their revenue. It's not the casino, it's the rooms.